Hey guys, Tank Engine 17 Productions here, back with another video. We are back with another custom. So, I cannot fully decide on my OC. So this is just going to be him for now. I have two, not too sure. I have a blue one, and my second OC for now is going to be a brown engine. And you may be wondering, what are those right there? Those are the coaches that I recently made not that long ago. Maybe about like 2 days ago at least, I think. I made these to match with one of the engines, what I just told you. The one thing that I did, especially, and you may be wondering what this reminds you of, Old Slow Coach. It reminds you of Old Slow Coach. Yes. I made these based on a little bit about Old Slow Coach. Just a very smaller amount and 3 coaches. So they're not all the same. 3 are always different. So let's begin. So let's start from the end. The end piece, not very special, and if you can tell, that part sloped down. That's how you know that it's the end. Middle piece doesn't have like a slope. The front piece has a slope, coming this way, pointing down. Take a closer look at the details. And I made an engine. This is going to be my second OC for now, until I can finally fix on something. I'm going to have 2. One's going to be in the story. The second one is just going to be a normal one. Yeah, these are the coaches. Now let's get into the engine. I'm going to quickly move these along over here. Come on. Come on. So I decided on making 2 OCs. This is going to be 1 for now. I don't know yet. Maybe a background engine, maybe. He doesn't have no number, no railway type thing, no LNER, GWR, whatever, and no number. The one thing that I did add was extended cab. No, not extended cab. Extended tanks. Comes this way, pointing down, and I made a little open space. Front. Side. Back. And I did those to make it look a little more nicer, because when I came this with another lot, the engine's frame was completely broken, dismantled, completely broken. I had to rebuild most of this right here, as you can tell. Front by the different buffer, side, and other side. I had to replace this piece and that piece. And you can hardly tell, which looks very nice. Now let's attach this to the main coaches. Now here's the main overview. Looks quite nice. And I have all my engines there from the last video. And maybe something later that I'll show you guys too that I recently fixed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.